All right, guys, how you all doing? My name is Gus One Bear. With me, I have Papa Bear. This is my dad, Gus Sr. And today we are in Tennessee, and we are at the beautiful Maybrook Farms. This is where Christy grew up. Got some of our favorite poles. All right, the catch of the day, baby. My cuz Lucas, bring it up, baby. Bring it up. Look at that. Nice.
He's fighting good.
Bring him up, Dad. Raise up that pole. Get him out of that grass.
Here he comes. That was a nice one.
Good job, Dad. Get him, Dad. Get him. Yeah.
Man, he's healthy. There you go, buddy.
There you go. Guess the right. Nice job, Dad.
Nice fisherman.
And the cool thing, I could get pictures out of this.
Now that's my cousin Lucas. Now Lucas is the true bass fisherman of the family.
I'm doubled up.
There, see? All right. Finally got two at the same time.
They're getting a little bigger.
Yeah, they're getting a little bigger.
What are we doing, Luke? We're gonna run around this riprap bank right here and try to sneak out a little topwater action. Caught a few here last week. No big ones, but fish are fish.
He loves to compete, and he is very knowledgeable when it comes to bass fishing. The last trip to Tennessee, I brought along the Speed Demon from Cast King.
Smooth, baby, smooth. And crazy fast.
Yeah, the Speed Demon.
Speed demon.
The Speed Demon.
I can handle that.
That was a good cast.
About to throw it out of line. Smooth too. 13 bearings.
Yeah, that's one thing about all the reels, they're smooth.
You know, a lot of people, somebody would, you know, there'd be somebody say, well, it's kind of noisy reeling it in. Look at your speed that you're getting out of it. You can't get that with speed. It's pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. I like them big fat boy handles on there.
Yeah.
I like big handles.
Now in this trip, Christy ended up letting Lucas use her fishing pole.
All right. Devil.
Oh, hang on. And Lucas caught that on the Cast King.
I told you.
I hand it off and he catches a fish with it.
That seems how it works now.
All right.
Got me one. All right. It's been an awesome morning. But here you go, guys. Can't get any better than that. Big or small, it's still a bass. Beautiful. Oh, Luke got another one. There you go. Can't get any more micro than that. Micro bait, micro fish. Show them the bait.
There it is. There it is. It's huge.
Show them the bait. Show them the bait. Sweet. All right, Luke. How many? Three? Three for Luke. And yes. This is the bonehead move of the day. I snapped a bunch of my rods in the woods. Wait a second, Luke. All right. And Luke, he's actually using the Cast King gear.
On the wrong hand. There's another one on the
Nice.
pretty good.
You like that? Luke is using the Cast King Kodiak 2000 along the Para G2, casting some really light tackle. I mean, look at that little thing. Look at that little thing. There we go. Give it a second. Find your hand. Thank you. Awesome. Nice. And also that camouflage, that copolymer camouflage line. Is that what you're using?
It's working pretty good.
Another microfish.
Hey, microfish are in, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's like the micros of the micros.
Hold it way out there. Yeah, that's a 10
Here,
pounder.
put the bait next to him. Straighten it out a little. Look at it. That's fairly large for it, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good size.
It's a pretty fish. Nice. All right, Lucas, the king of the micros.
He's taking away my title.
All right, guys. This morning we decided to have a friendly competition amongst all of us. I got my cousin Luke. Out of the family, he is the true bass fisherman, okay? I'm nothing compared to him. But I got Luke, I got my wife Christy, I have my dad with me here in Tennessee. We decided to do a little micro bass fishing challenge, and Luke so far has taken the lead. And what's really cool about it is watching him use some of the Cast King gear. I mean, what do you think about it, honestly?
It's all pretty smooth stuff. Feel every bite that I got. It's pretty sensitive, so I like it. On the line, it's pretty much invisible, so
Yeah.
it worked good.
Yeah, so it's been awesome. So we're gonna probably finish today. We're gonna have some breakfast, and then from that we're gonna do some real bass fishing, hopefully. So I'm looking forward to it. But till then, you're watching Two Bears Outdoors. Uncle
morning.
Doug.
Good morning, good morning. Beautiful day here in Tennessee.
Amen. Guys. All right, guys. You see what happened when a bear goes into the woods? Well, he comes out of the woods with broken rods. That's right. Bonehead move of the day.